In today's episode we are working on the Beamer. We are going to try to see why we have that strange noises on the diff. If it's bad, we have to change the diff. So yeah, no more talking, let's start the video. Maybe you can hear the noises that the diff is making. Yep. Now let's see why this differential makes these noises. I think because of this gasket, because sounds like it's empty, and I think that's about it. I think it's just empty, and it doesn't have any oil. As you can see, the whole gasket is busted, but it's just a theory, like I've said. I have the key in here. It's an 14mm Allen key or hex bit, yeah, and I'm gonna try now to see if we have any oil in here. And this is the filler plug, and normally the oil should be till something comes out from here. Ooh, check this out. Metal in oil. Okay, so yeah, that means the differential is busted for real. Now that we know that the car has a bad differential, I've jacked up the car. Yeah, I'm 3-ton jacks, and this car only weighs like 1.5 tons. So yeah, exactly on the other side. Let me try to put the camera in there. So yeah, it's that moment, boys. Yeah, now it's that time that we are going to remove the diff, the rear diff. As you can see, I've already removed the rear axle. You have to remove all these E12 bolts. Yeah, it's going to be like this. In my case were rusted, but I've put the greaser and the W40 for 2 days, and after that I've tried. But luckily for us are metal, not aluminium. Yeah, and here as well. Okay, after that we have to unbolt this one. We have another one in here and another one in here. These three are holding the diff onto the subframe. After that you have to remove these 13mm nuts for the drive shaft, and pretty much that's about it. But don't forget, you have to put something underneath because it's like 100 kilograms more or less, yeah, and this piece could kill you, so it's not a joke. So I'm going to put wood in here and the jack underneath. I'm going to remove all the nuts and bolts, and after that I'm going to lower it. So I'm going to show you just the end result because it's a lot of work, and it's out, boys. As you can see, the diff is out. I didn't have to remove the exhaust or to lower the exhaust, anything. Normally you should do that because, as you can see in here, I wasn't able to remove completely this bolt, but luckily for me it was more than enough. I did have some problem in here with the drive shaft. I tried many times to take it out. The rear axle looks in good shape, both of them. Yeah, as you can see, I've struggled a little bit to take it out. In here I have some scratches, but it's out, and here it is. It is in a very rough shape, and sadly I cannot read the ratio very good, but I think it's 3.36. I'm not sure. I have to check with the V number. The ratio is right in here, but 3.36. Yeah, something like that. I'm going to check. with the, like I said, with the V number, and as you can see, E39M package with M suspension and stuff like that. So now I'm going to open it to see what is wrong or why was making that noises. To be honest, it's not that bad as I thought. The gears are looking quite okay, I might say. We have some problems in there, but the noises didn't come from these gears. I've checked everything, and the noises come from these bearings here and here. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, the metal in there, but it's not big chunks or something like that. I think it's normal. Yeah. Haha, the new diff is here. This is the last one, yeah, the old one. Let's unpack this box to see if it's in good shape. It's here, but it's broken. Yeah, I have to make some pictures. I have the video for the seller, and maybe on the transport it got knocked off, but anyway, I have the cover from the old one. Let's hope this is going to work. And there is no oil. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to swap now the cover and install that on the car. So right from the start we can see that this one is okay, because check this out, check how clean the cover on the diff was on this new diff. Yeah, and this is my old cover from my old diff. And we can see in here we have burned oil. So like I've said, this car was a police car, and you can see that. This is the diff that I received. I've cleaned a little bit around the cover, and through a miracle I managed to take out and save the old gasket, yeah, from this diff, from that cover that's broken. Yeah, and it's one piece, as you can see. Yeah, I'm going to use some silicone as well, because I don't want to have any leaks. Install this on the new diff and back into the car. In here everything is prepared for tomorrow. I'm going to do this job tomorrow because I have a friend coming by. I cannot lift so much weight, and I still have my foot, yeah, and I cannot put some too much pressure on the foot. Anyway, we have the old cover with the new diff. We have 1.5 liter diff oil. I think and I hope it's going to be enough, because tomorrow everything will be closed. And as you can see in here, yeah, 75 W90. And yeah, let me show you something. Yeah, no strange noises. And now check the old one out. Yeah, so that's why that one is bad and this is not. But like I said, strange enough, all the gears are okay, just the bearings in here and maybe in there as well. For talking, I will see you tomorrow. Finally we are ready to put the new diff. I put the grease in here everything is prepared. I hope it's going to fit in there without lowering the exhaust. Let's see how this goes. So finally installed, everything is put back together. I hope oil is in, everything, the bolts for the drive shaft, everything should be okay. In here as well, I put the car on the wheels, and now we have to test it. It's raining with ice, yeah. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but it's like a storm now. And it's gone now, yeah. This storm lasted just 2 minutes, I think. It was with ice. I thought something will break in here, but everything is okay. So yeah, anyway, the diff is installed. I've already tested the car, but I could not film anything because the car is not insured. Anyway, everything works. We have no sounds anymore. The car works. I just have to figure out the park distance controller. That's why I didn't put that video first. I need to resolve some electrical problems, and but that I will show you in the next episode. So in this episode we fixed the diff problem. Everything works, so I think job done. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.